Baliiva is here to revive the ease and comfort of cooking in traditional cookware. Authentically and originally sourced in India, Baliiva is your new best friend in the kitchen to help you thrive, not just survive. Promoting sustainability and recapturing the art of cooking relevant to our modern world, the drift to non-toxic cookware has never been so simple, deserving, and essential to our collective progress. On slightly heated cookware, apply a thin layer and allow to smoke for a couple of minutes either on the stove or up to 45 in the oven. Allow to completely cool before using to cook your favourite dishes. You can repeat again after every wash. We have a rightful choice to reach toward a lifestyle and experience a revolution. We are all worthy of good health. We are overdue our happiness.